Welcome to our presentation on CPC, or cost per click, a fundamental concept in digital marketing. In this video, we'll explore in detail how CPC works, its significance in advertising campaigns, the various factors that affect its cost, and its origins. Join us for an insightful exploration of CPC's impact on digital advertising strategies. In the realm of digital marketing, cost per click stands as a pivotal metric, quantifying the amount an advertiser pays each time a user clicks on their online ad. Unlike traditional advertising, where visibility is purchased, CPC ensures that costs are directly tied to user interaction. Put simply, if the consumer sees the ad and clicks on it, the advertiser pays for that click. If the consumer sees the ad but does not click on it, the advertiser does not pay. Picture yourself online, and an ad for a new smartphone grabs your interest. The moment your curiosity takes over, and you click, the advertiser pays a specific amount to the hosting site, such as Google or Facebook. This exchange highlights the essence of CPC, linking curiosity to tangible financial metrics. CPC is heavily influenced by market forces. It is not an entity that is set in stone. Often determined through bidding, advertisers compete in an auction-like environment, pledging the amount they're willing to pay per click. This competition makes sure that ads are shown, based on how much money you have to spend, and how strongly you want to be seen. Why does CPC hold such sway in digital advertising? It's all about control and results. Advertisers pay only when someone clicks on their ads. They can choose who sees their ads, and see how well their ads are doing right away. They can also make changes to improve their ads, based on these results, helping them reach more people without spending more money. Cost per click doesn't exist in a vacuum. Various elements dictate its pulse, such as how much advertisers want to pay, shown by their bids. Ratings given by platforms, which show if ads are suitable. How many advertisers are fighting for the same keywords. And whether they choose to reach lots of people, or just a specific group. Understanding cost per click is more than just knowing what it means. Advertisers need to skillfully handle smart bidding strategies. Improving ad quality. Knowing the competition. And choosing the right audience. Competence in these areas helps make sure your ads are seen, and your money is spent wisely, directly connecting with people's interests. In conclusion, cost per click is a fundamental part of digital marketing. It is where the goals of advertisers meet the actions of potential customers, all while keeping a close eye on costs. Using CPC, advertisers can spend money smartly, see clear results, and adjust their plans easily, which is key to catching and keeping people's attention.